Linguani. Original courses.
This is a course on inversion in the English language, Step 3. If you saw the first steps, you know the beginning of the story, away goes the sadness. And you also learned about inversion in questions and inversion with negative or limiting adverbials. As you're here now, watch Step 3, and if you need to go back to the previous ones, you can always do that. So, let's start! Step 3. Inversion with adverbials which rebuild the sentence. Look at the example. They didn't believe in joy until they met Leo. You can see that here inversion happens in the clause without the adverbial. Not until they met Leo did they believe in joy. This is the adverbial, which came from here. The negation changed also its place, and inversion happens in the other clause. It also takes place in sentences with other adverbs, like not before. The king hadn't seen a cheerful person before he met Leo. Not before the king met Leo had he seen a cheerful person. Only when. They only cried when they lost somebody. Only when they lost somebody did they cry. Only after. Leo saw one solution after he talked to the citizens. Only after Leo talked to the citizens did he see one solution. Notice that in the original sentence you don't need only. You added in inversion to emphasize the very moment after which Leo found the solution. Only if. Leo can reveal the secret if he is left alone for 4 days. Only if Leo is left alone for 4 days can he reveal the secret. Sometimes when you know the context, you leave out the first clause and use only then. Look. Only then can Leo reveal the secret. This is the end of Step 3 out of 8 about inversion. You can now go straight to Step 4 or watch this part again and again and again, as you wish.